In this video, you will learn how to browse on Edge browser in Incognito mode, which is the same thing as private mode, and the importance of using that feature. Let's get right into it. To use your Edge browser in Incognito mode, the first step is to launch the browser, all right? So, once you launch the browser, you click on these three dots and select New in private window. The term used in Edge is in private window. Then Google Chrome use incognito. And this is important so that most especially when you share computer with somebody, so that he cannot track your history, maybe access your email, he then sees in the history and then get into the email to maybe scam or maybe do some phishing stuff. Okay, so it's nice. So once you're here, then start browsing what you want to browse. Maybe I want to search about the richest man in Africa. Okay, richest man in Africa. So after that, press enter key. All right. So Aliko Dangote, who happens to be from Nigeria, is the richest man in Africa. So if I click on this link, it will open, okay, for me to read what I want to read fully. You can still enter a direct website link here and open it, okay? And your history will not be tracked. In fact, we're going to experiment this. So this is how you can browse in private mode in Edge browser. So let's see if this thing we search now is tracked in history. So I'll close this page. Then I'll click on these three dots. Then I'll locate history. Let's see. I can see my history is not tracked. So there's nothing like a search of the richest man in Africa here, all right, or Forbes, which happens to be the web page, the website we accessed after that. So this is how it is. If there are some sites you want to visit that don't want the history to be registered in your web browser, web browser, use incognito mode to access the site or make the search. Okay. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, all right, YouTube education, and self publishing. So, subscribe to learn from any of these categories, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section if you have further questions. Please drop that and I will answer you, all right? I hit the like button. This video here will still walk you through on how to complete other tasks in Microsoft Edge web browser. You can wash it out. Thank you and see you some other time.